And if we talk about SEO in 2025 is quite buzzing around. Like people are saying it's dead, it does not work anymore. The organic search is going. Like, what are your thoughts on this? Like, how are you seeing this?
So I'm not too worried on the whole, on the grounds that if your roof blows off in the storm, you still need an emergency roofer.
Yeah.
And you're probably going to Google it because ChatGPT is not going to give you a very good result for that. As long as that remains the case, I'm not too worried. It's a real shame that we've had helpful content update. There's this beautiful time when anyone could start a blog about what they were interested in and make decent money online. So it's a real shame that publishers don't really have much opportunity now. But in terms of services, e-com, SaaS, still lots of opportunity for actual product-based searches where you're just connecting up someone searching for a product with that product.
Okay, I see. And when it comes to like building up a site or a brand, like what is most important when it comes to SEO? Is it content? Is it backlinks? Is it technical SEO? Like the beginner should focus on what the most?
So, I mean, it's all. I think those three pillars are really crucial. You can't rank a site that doesn't have any content on it. And content's easy, so definitely do that. Use the correlational tools to make sure you're optimizing for the right thing. But yeah, links are still very important. Your content's going to sit on page 5 not being discovered by anyone, whereas you don't need to spend a lot of money on links to actually get some serious movement. I've got sites where all I've done is a press release and citations, and they rank really well.
Okay.